Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. This is Florida, Southwest Florida scale model builder. This is a update on a group build that I'm in, Burgers and Beer by Tim Nolan and RATDADDY Studios. I've got the chassis done, just needs to be painted. It's in primer. Cab and the rest of the cab parts are all sanded and in primer. Engine is about half done. And I'll bring you down, take a little bit closer look at it. Here we go. I don't want to go too far without doing an update on it. Like I said, the cab is in primer, ready to go. Engine is basically, I guess, halfway done. Chassis is all put together, came out really nice. Real not bad, not a bad kit. It's nice and detailed. If you ever worked on Mack trucks, which I did, and I painted them this color, it's a lot of fun. Of course, I haven't done it for many years. I was hoping I had some pictures, but I did them back before cell phone cameras. You know what that's like. But this is it. Chassis will be all in blue. I'm not sure yet what I'm doing with the rims. I may strip the chrome and paint at least the inside, the hub parts blue, and then a white ring around the outside, which is the way we used to do them. Yeah, most people, especially I was in the demolition and construction business, they didn't put chrome wheels back then on them. And I guess that's about it for the update. Should have another one shortly. And cab's ready to be sanded and then taped for the stripes and the blue. And until then, peace. Hope everybody's well. And I will see you in the next video. This was only a short update. Take care. Happy modeling. Bye.